What's up, guys? I am Underdog 27 and this is my new video, and with my brother Mr. Snoopy 777.
Hi guys.
If you haven't checked him out, check him out. And he's gonna be playing the same exact game, and we're gonna have a contest who could get the most points
In a row. Okay. Let me start
in a row.
I haven't started my video. I'm gonna upload the same time as he is, so yeah.
Let's just wait a second. This says.
What is up, Snoops? Today we are back again with another video, and today I am here joined by my new brother, who I had to create his YouTube channel, which is Underdog 27. Go check it out. The U in under is capitalized, and the D in dog is capitalized also. And yeah, let's go. Which one should I do? Okay, Zen. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, it's a boy. This might show inappropriate stuff, so click off if you don't want to see like bad stuff.
Oh, we're starting to go?
Yeah, 1, 2. Frick, why did you do that? Ah. 1.
Darn it.
This is so hard.
Oh, come on.
3.
Yes.
1. I can't see. Yes. This is also disgusting. Ugh.
I have to throw farther.
Oh, this is hard. Oh, frick, nuggets. Okay, I'm gonna throw a bomb.
Bombs?
Bombs.
Don't.
Oops, tap before I throw an object.
Ha. Swoosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm just going rapid fire and it's working. When I try this, it's working. What? Rapid fire.
What's working? I don't know. Oh, I got a prize.
Did you get?
Remote.
You got the remote. Yeah, this game is
Got
all
the
about
trophies.
snipes.
While you're doing that,
Energy shot, the clock. Mysterious boxes. Oh, that's on the road.
What?
That mysterious boxes pop up when you keep doing this. This might be just like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, because box.
You got the box?
Yeah, I think I. Wait, I want to check. I'm checking my achievements on YouTube. Do that. Bucket of bucks, and never mind. That was a waste of time. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be doing this that often. Maybe I'll do this never.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, just give us 1 like. Well, give me 1 like if you want more of this. Just 1. That's all it. Maybe even 2.
Cool, you probably like it.
Yeah. Ooh, I got the $1.
Hoocha, hoocha, hoocha.
Aw,
Rich.
I'm just barely there though.
No, you're there. You just have to wait for a while. I guess. That's what it did for me. Okay, but I might end the video here because it's already 4 minutes and I don't want to make this up too long. Because I'm really doing nothing but killing us.
Yeah, I
Oh,
got
that
a
was
coin.
loud.
So
It was like, boom.
that's because I got the coin. I mean the dollar. Ha.
Yeah, my volume is down a little.
Fine, let me turn
I'll
it
put
down.
my brother's YouTube channel and the link this down below. Okay, what did I get? Okay, 3 times multiplied. Yeah, I got $3.
Oh, you have $3?
Yeah. Okay, he's still gonna do the video or not. I don't know what he's gonna do.
Nah, I'm gonna stop it right here, guys.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you liked my brother being here. And go check out his channel. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, guys, peace.
Peace.